Hey guys, Corey Dirty Bird here. We're going to show you how to install our fenders on the Freewheelers, RG3s. Tri-Glides are similar, but hopefully show you some tips and tricks along the way. Make it a little easier. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but that's what it takes. The tools you'll need a 1/2-inch wrench, socket with the Torx bit, something to take your lug nuts off, but you'll have your lug nuts, factory bolts, optional additional bolt to stabilize the fender, and these are optional as well, just help with installation, just some studs to screw in, nuts to hold in place while you start the bolts. Makes it way easier. We got the wheel off for demonstration, but normally you'd want the wheel on. That's the part that makes it kind of a pain. But what I do to help make your life a little easier, just get a couple 5/16, 18 studs, then I'll run them in a couple spots. Just like here, so you can get the fender on there. Then I'll hold it in with some nuts, just so you get some hands free, because you're going to be moving it around to line everything up. And spin these on, they just need to be hand tight. You don't need to torque them down, it's just to keep the fender on there so you can, the wheel will be there, so you'll be up underneath playing around. Get your factory bolts, come up behind the wheel, just manipulate the fender.
Get them all started. You have to come up like crazy.
And once you get these bolts in, you can remove those little helper studs and nuts. And just replace them with the finer bolts. Little dab of Loctite. Keep her from falling off on you. Don't want that. The factory Freewheeler only has bolts coming to about the midpoint here. So we added an additional hole back here that you just line it up, drill through. That'll help stabilize the back of the fender. And it pops through in the back of the body right here. You can just come up here. That's probably the easiest one to install. Torque them all down. This one is our skirted fender for the Freewheelers, RG3s. The other option we have, we'll cut it here to give it a swoop look, and we call that one the runner. And then we have those as well for Tri-Glides. We also have a big one if you have 22-inch wheels. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, email us at support@dirtybirdconcepts.com or give the shop a call.